Today I went and got a new bag, the Bottega small Jodie. I finally got it. Super excited. Oh, I'm so happy. I literally made a video before this because I was just too excited, and I have to refilm again because I get a little bit too excited and I feel like I get a little like sidetracked with the things I say. So I'm refilming. This always happens. I got it in the color Fondant. Look at it. Look at how it's glistening. Have you seen a bag glisten before? Now you have. Now it's with stuffing. I'm gonna take out the stuffing. I'm super happy about this bag. I think that the small Jodie is the best size to get for a Jodie. And the next one would be the mini, because a mini is just such a nice accessory to add to your outfit. Not practical though, absolutely not. So this is how it looks on. I love how the small one, it slouches, but it's not like overly slouch. You know how there's like the large size Jodie? It's literally like a crossbody. I don't know what's going on with that one. It's nice, but really. But I love this one. I think that the teen Jodie is such a weird size of Jodie to have. I don't know why people are so happy about the teen Jodie. They're like, oh, when the mini Jodie first came out, I was thinking to myself, I wish there was a bigger one. And then they were like, and I'm so happy when the teen size came out. And I'm like, really? Why? Because the teen size is awkward. You know how the small has a longer handle drop and it's bigger overall, but the teen, right? Because it is in such a, in my opinion at least, strange size. It's like not big, not small. It's like it doesn't have that nice slouch to it. It's just kind of in the middle, weird position. And when you try to put it over your shoulders, it just looks forced instead of having this nice slouch that the small Jodie creates. So yeah, I would go for the small Jodie definitely, which well, I did already. But yeah, this is why I chose the small Jodie over the teen Jodie. Plus I already have the mini Jodie, which I actually really like. I have changed my mind about it. I really like it. It's not practical, but I really like it. But it's honestly more practical than the mini pouch. The mini pouch is constantly just opening itself, but that's another video. I've been eyeing this bag for like a year now, and a lot of times when I eye something, I screenshot it and I keep researching about it over and over again, watching videos about it, and usually the excitement dies down and I eventually do not want the bag. But with the Jodie, the excitement has never gone away. I was just super determined that I'm gonna get it. The excitement and the want, just the desire to have this bag never left me. And now it's here and I'm so happy. I cannot contain it. Okay. This is how it looks on me. I am 5'6". You're supposed to wear the bag holding this knob like that. I really like this bag. It reminds me of some sort of Chinese traditional culture where they have this thing that they throw over their shoulder like this, and they pack shit to go on. I love it. There's something about this bag that just, it elevates a really boring outfit. Like, there's just something about the leather. I don't know what is it. The leather, the shape, everything, the quality. It makes your outfit look more expensive, and it makes you look, I don't know why, but like posh. It's like a strange thing that it does. I think it's super cool when you wear something and it makes you look expensive or like just luxurious. I think that's really cool. Like when something elevates, oh my god, I'm out of breath. Ever since COVID, I've been out of breath no matter what I do. Like, I just literally stood up to show you guys the bag and I'm talking while doing it and I'm out of breath. That is insane. COVID is not a fucking joke. Don't get it. Try to not get it at least. I did not try. I did not wear masks. Well, when it was needed to, like mandatory, then I would. But at places that weren't mandatory, I was like, whoa. But yeah. Got COVID, not a fun thing, never want to do that again. Super nice, look at it. Look at it glisten. Isn't this beautiful? Like, how does leather even glisten like that in the first place? God. And by the way, I got it in fondant because I felt like I like how it's a dark color, but there's still a bit of color in it. Like, it's not black. I was looking at the black one. I looked at the black one, the chalk one, the bliss washed one. And walking into the store, I already knew that the fondant one was the one that I wanted, but I still wanted to try the other colors. I actually wanted to try the space color as well. I think that that's really nice because it's a dark color, but still there's a bit of color to it, which is such a nice touch. But they ran out of stock, so I got this one. But this was always the one I wanted, but I wanted to try that on, but I didn't get to try the space one on, so. But yeah, I'm really happy with my decision and this purchase. I feel like a lot of people, they get influenced by the media to get the colors like caramel or like nude because those colors are trendy right now. Personally, I don't like caramel and I don't like nude colors, and I don't think nude colors or caramel colors, tan colors, compliments me, especially my skin tone, my hair color, you know, the color analysis. I do not think that caramel, tan, warm colors look good on me. I look good with high contrast colors, so it's like black hair, white top, like dark bag, or like, you know, switch it around basically to play with contrast. So yeah, I got this color. I feel like, I don't know, maybe this is a little bit of just strong opinion, but I feel like those caramel tan colors, it's a phase and it will pass. The trend will pass and you will wish you got a more classic color, an all-time favorite color. 200 years from now, this color will still be a good color for a bag color. Yeah, but super happy with this purchase. Absolutely love it. Can't wait to wear it out. Can't wait. Super excited. After I've tried using this bag for maybe a few weeks, I'm gonna make a video again about it, like pros and cons and stuff like that. Although right now I really can't think of any in the top of my head, like the cons, except the fact that it's gorgeous. Different ways to wear this bag. You can wear it like that. I love that it's so soft. Like, no matter how much you carry in it, it's like it's gonna be soft on your arm. And I love that you can wear it like that. This is like a casual, like, oh, okay. You wear it like that. That. Oh, love it. What is there not to like about it? I love that there is no logos. That's the biggest thing that I love about this bag. I hate logos. I don't know why people are so obsessed with brands that have a big spank logo on it. Like, I find that atrocious, just ugly. It's like, it's not pretty. It's not, I don't know. But I feel like when I was younger though, I was more prone and drawn to stuff like that. But as I grew older, I'm 22 now, I don't really like seeing stuff like that anymore. I like to see stuff that are quite plain. I don't know, maybe I'm becoming boring. Maybe I am. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. And I hope you guys find this helpful in some sort of way. When I was buying this bag, when I was looking to buy this bag, by the way, I know I keep going on and on. I keep saying that's it for today's video, but I have a lot to say. When I was looking for videos on the small Jodie, there weren't a lot of videos on the small Jodie, which I found was just unhelpful. A lot of videos were on the mini Jodie or some very few teen Jodie, but there were very little small Jodie videos. But yeah, I hope this small Jodie video helped you, and you should get it before they can discontinue it, because from what my essay says, like they are most likely gonna discontinue the small Jodie. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, bye.